Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Star and welcome back to Stellar Voyage. Today we're diving into a topic that sparks curiosity and debate: astrology. So, what exactly is astrology and how does it differ from astronomy? Let's start with astronomy. Astronomy is the scientific study of stars, planets, and the universe. It asks questions like, how big is the universe? Or, how do stars form? It's all about gathering facts and understanding the cosmos based on evidence, from the stars above to the furthest galaxies in space. Astrology, however, is based on the belief that the positions of celestial bodies, planets, stars, and the moon, can influence human behavior and even predict events. Yes, it's all about horoscopes, birth charts, and zodiac signs, but how did this ancient idea develop, and why does it still hold so much interest today? The roots of astrology is ancient and one of the oldest belief systems. Civilizations like the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks all practiced astrology. They studied the stars and believed that celestial events could impact life on Earth. These early astronomers turned astrologers noticed patterns in the sky and connected them to the seasons, harvests, and even human events. If the stars could predict the changing seasons, could they also predict human behavior and fate? That idea stuck, and astrology became intertwined with religion, medicine, and even politics. For centuries, it was a way to seek guidance and make decisions. Astronomy's rise. In the 16th and 17th centuries, things changed. During the scientific revolution, astronomers like Galileo, Kepler, and Copernicus started using telescopes to observe the universe. They gathered hard evidence that challenged old beliefs and opened our eyes to the vast complexity of the cosmos. As science progressed, astronomy began to focus on the physical universe, while astrology stayed more about predicting human behavior. What does astrology say? Astrology offers a personalized connection to the universe. By studying your birth chart, astrologers interpret the positions of the planets and stars to reveal insights about your personality, relationships, and even career. For example, a Leo might be described as energetic and outgoing, while a Virgo may be more analytical. It's fun, and many people enjoy checking their horoscope to find out what the universe has in store for them that day. But astrology uses symbolism, not scientific facts. Science versus belief. The key difference is this: astronomy is a science. It's based on observation, evidence, and experimentation. Astronomers study the universe with math and technology to understand how the cosmos works. Astrology isn't a science. While it uses celestial movements, it's not supported by scientific evidence. It's a belief system rooted in tradition and symbolism. Why do people love astrology? Astrology's appeal is that it offers insight and guidance. Whether you're reading your daily horoscope or studying your birth chart, it helps people reflect on their lives, relationships, and future. People love astrology because it can help with self-discovery. It's fun and gives a sense of wonder about life. Even if it's just for fun, astrology brings a little cosmic mystery to everyday life, a shared history, and a clear divide. Astrology and astronomy were once the same thing. Ancient astrologers were also the first astronomers. They mapped the stars, tracked planetary movements, and even predicted eclipses. But as science progressed, astronomy became more evidence-based, while astrology remained about belief. Now, one person looks at the stars to understand how they work. This is astronomy. The other looks at the stars to understand how they influence human life. This is astrology. So, is astrology wrong? Astrology is not scientifically backed, but that doesn't mean it's wrong. It's a belief system that many people find meaningful. Whether used for personal insight or fun, astrology offers value to those who believe in it. Wrap up. Here's the takeaway. Astronomy is a science that studies the universe using facts, observations, and evidence. Astrology connects celestial movements with human life through belief and tradition. Both have their place. Astronomy allows us to explore the universe, while astrology gives meaning to our lives based on the stars. If you enjoyed this cosmic comparison, don't forget to subscribe to Stellar Voyage. Let me know if you're Team Astrology, Team Astronomy, or maybe a little bit of both. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep looking up because the universe is full of mysteries.